unfolding situation with the Jamaican men's sprint relay team and the mixed mile relay team failing again to run the qualifying time for the respective events at the upcoming World Championships after falling short in Barbados over the weekend. But just looking at this issue unfolding, this could well be a blessing in disguise for Jamaica to miss out completely on these events at these World Championships, so that once and for all, we can put some more focus and put some more things in place, our preparation for relays generally. We know the challenges won't go away, especially the fact that the priority of the individual athletes will always be their individual events. And it's unreasonable to ask these elite level athletes to compromise their personal events and careers for running relays. But at least going into events like the Olympics, the World Relays, and the World Championships, we might be forced by this embarrassment to once and for all find a way to do some more relay practice. Simple, rich.